Now this illustration deals with a synchronous motor, and it actually shows uh, two power sources coming in. At the very top of the drawing shows the three-phase power supply. At the bottom it shows the excitation type power that when the motor is turning at a certain predetermined speed, it will lock in with the three-phase power source and create actual synchronous speed. There'll be no slip type thing like we find when we use an induction type motor. And so figure 18-20 is illustrating a synchronous motor that is listed in table 430.52 and how we would select the percentages to size the overcurrent protection device, which will be illustrated as we get further into the presentation of Chapter 18 from Stallcup's Electrical Design Book, Volume 2. So this figure 18-20 is illustrating such a motor. And once again, if you like this Chapter 18, well, hit the subscribe button, and if you have any type of comment that you might want to make, let us know what's on your mind, and we'll get back at you.